Experts LLC. We're at another cleaning, and I just want to take you along with me. If you notice, there's some missing grout, and we're going to actually clean these areas and bring them up. Let me show you what it is. If you look here, all this has to be deep cleaned. We have a full kitchen, the gas water line for the refrigerator. All that has to be cleaned up, so I'm gonna give you a before and after here. Full kitchen, needs to be deep cleaned, also sealed, okay? So we have a lot of floor to clean. I'll be doing this all night. Just me and order, and we got our work cut out for us. Look at this. So this tile's dirty, smashed, shouldn't be that bad to clean up. And then another full kitchen here. All this has to be done. And then we have a master bathroom. Master bathroom. Just the tile, baby girl. All we're doing is the tile. And then the bathroom here. So that's all getting cleaned and sealed. So first things first, feed my little one, get her entertained. Coming to you live once again, it's Michael Traffic. Oh, come on. Everything's got deep cleaned. All the floors now been deep cleaned, obviously. This is the roux goo of it. There's a little contraption here. So now, a little street in here. Work on this little masterpiece. So I'll check back with you in a few. That's how we do. Alright, I'm gonna get this team entertained. Today we're doing the color seals of the floor that we were working on last night. Let me show you exactly what I made. So if you notice here, I already laid the color seal on this floor. How did it turn out? It looks great already. You're gonna like it. Alright. Difference. I'm gonna come out here like it. You'll see it shortly. Right. See these lines? Almost finished up. Okay, here. The floor is done. We used the poly blend. This is a sandstone. If you can see that there, sandstone. About a pint. 8 fluent out, a half pint. Did 700 square feet. See how as let's remove this little grout here. See? So once again, all these floors got knocked out. Take a look. All my beautiful floors. Oh, yeah. Traffic signing off with another killer project knocked out in 2 days.